Good morning, student. Today I am going to tell you about the structure of a leaf. Okay, so how many types of leaves are present? The morphology we had discussed in our last video, but today I am going to tell you about the types of leaf. Okay, so basically two types of leaves are present in our surrounding. First one is of simple leaf and second is of compound leaf. Okay, as on your screen you can see that this is the structure of a simple leaf. Clear? Why a leaf said to be a simple? When its lamella, you can see where is the lamella? This is the lamella. Okay, this portion is the lamella. Lamella is entire or maybe incised to any depth but not up to the midrib. Clear? This is the midrib. It can be smooth, okay, or it can be incised, and this incised portion can't reach to the midrib. Clear? So such type of leaves are known as simple leaves. You can see what are the examples of simple leaves. You can see them in people, mango, radish. Clear? So these are the examples of simple leaf. Okay. Now the next type of leaf is compound leaf. Okay, so what is the compound leaf? Compound leaf is that such type of leaf which the leaf blade, what is the leaf blade? Is lamina is incised up to the midrib or petiole. You can see here it is incised, as I told you, up to the midrib or petiole. Here you can see in first case this is the compound leaf is also two types. Okay, pinnately compound leaves or palmately compound leaf. Clear? So pinnately compound leaf or palmately compound leaf, what are they two? We can understand it by this example. Okay, suppose you can see the first form of compound leaf in neem plant. Okay, in neem plant, just imagine, many of you, I think you have seen also, in neem plant, leaf blade is incised up to the midrib. Okay, so it incised up to the midrib, and midrib is known as the rachis. This midrib is known as the rachis. Clear? Are you getting my point? The midrib is known as the rachis, and a number of leaflets are present on a common axis. Clear? So these are the leaflets, or the leaflets are present on a common axis. Clear? So this type of leaf pattern we can easily see in neem plant. Second type, you can see here the second type of it, palmately compound leaf. In this type, incision of leaf are directed from leaf margin to apex of the petiole. You can see this is the petiole, it's a base, and it is the apex. Clear? So the all the incised till petiole, all leaflets, these are the leaflets, all the leaflets are attached at a common point. You can see here all the leaflets, these are the leaflets, they are arranged and attached in a common point, and this is the common point which is present at the tip of petiole. As I told you, this is the petiole, and at the tip of the petiole, when all the leaflets are attached at a common point. Clear? In this case, rachis is absent, but in case of pinnately compound leaf, rachis is present. Okay, so such type of leaf pattern where we can see it in silk cotton plant. Okay, silk cotton plant we can see in that type of plant. Okay, so it's of pinnately compound leaf and it's of palmately compound leaf. Now I am going to tell you about the another term related with leaf, that is known as the phyllotaxy. What it is? Phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy. Okay, what is phyllotaxy? Phyllotaxy is the pattern of arrangement of leaf on the stem. How the leaves, all the leaves are arranged on the stem, that is known as the phyllotaxy. Clear? स्टेम में लीव्स कैसे ग्रो कर रही हैं, कैसे लगी हुई हैं, अरेंजमेंट, दैट इज नोन एज द phyllotaxy. So phyllotaxy can be of in a 3 modes. Leaves are arranged on the stem. Clear? First one is alternate, second is of opposite, third is of rolled. Okay, so we start from the alternate pattern of arrangement of leaf. Clear? So you can see in aloe vera, you can see very nicely. Okay, in this type a single leaf arises at each node at alternate manner. Okay, like you can see it in alternate type of in aloe vera, in mustard, in china rose, in sunflower, in all these type of plant you can see alternate pattern of leaves. Okay, next is of opposite type of phyllotaxy. Means in this type of phyllotaxy a pair of leaves arise at each node. A pair of, इन अल्टरनेट में क्या दिया था, एक नोट से एक ही लीफ निकलेगी. इन अपोजिट अ पेयर ऑफ लीव्स arise from each node. You can observe in from the each node a pair of leaves arises. Okay, so this pattern of leaf is known as the opposite. Clear? All the leaves you can see on your screen, all the leaves arise at each node. Clear? Like example is guava, ocimum बोलते हैं तुलसी को. Guava, ocimum, calotropis, these are the example of such plants shows opposite type of phyllotaxy. Okay, last one is known as the rolled. Clear? Rolled means such type of leaves you can see in nerium. Clear? In devil tree, Allistonia, devil tree को बोलते हैं Allistonia, और in nowadays cannabis sativa, cannabis means भांग का पेड़. Okay, in these also you can see such type of leaf pattern. Clear? Rolled one means more than one leaf arise from each node. You can see here, this is a one node, it's another node, and more than one leaves, clear, can arise from each node. This type of phyllotaxy is known as the rolled. You can observe by your own self, from one node more than two leaves. Two leaves arise, that time it's known as the opposite. One leaf arise from one node, it's known as the alternate type of it. Okay, you will say that, ma'am, how is it possible it look like a roll? It is not arises from a roll, beta. If you see its node, that time you can observe that stem very closely nodes are arranged, so that's why it looks like a roll. But in case of aloe vera, that phyllotaxy is of alternate type. Clear? Very easily you can see them in mustard, china rose, and in sunflower. Okay, I hope that much is clear. If you have any question regarding this video, you can send me your question. In our another video we will read about the inflorescence of flower. Thank you.